So that's one of the last panels done. I've got the top section to finish and one left over there, and then that's this whole room done. And the mouldings are turning out fantastic thanks to Bamboo Lab using their 3D printer and their filaments. It's just fantastic. So now this is almost done. I'm going to crack on in the bathroom because I need to get some bits done in there and sort of get a shifty on in there. But everyone else is busy, so the Chateau's a hive of activity at the minute. So Mum's in the red bedroom, cracking on in there. Paula's downstairs painting, and Ash and Graham are sorting out some plasterboarding. So I'll take you around now and show you what everyone's up to. Like I said, this room's coming along really well. And then we've got Mum in the red room, cracking on.
Good morning.
How are you getting on?
Slowly, again. I've only got them left to do. 500.
Mum,
600.
yeah, Mum's slowly getting there. I think Ash counted them, didn't he? How many there was?
There was 1,200, something like that.
1,200 crosses to paint. And then, just to add to it, we have the same amount on the ceiling to do. Oh well.
Looking forward to them.
Right, I'll let you crack on and show you what everyone else is up to. So I'm going to be on with the bathroom today, cracking on in there, getting the plumbing sorted. And Ash and Graham are on with getting all of the ceiling sorted, all of the plasterboarding.
Yes.
Anya's?
Difficult angles.
Yeah, and difficult bit.
Yeah, we've been on this, but we've got this side done, we've got in there done, so we've done quite a lot already, and it's just a case of we'll get this one done, this will be done today, and then it's only a case of waiting on you getting out of the bathroom.
Yeah, good, good. And then I'll take you down and show you what Paula's been up to.
Right, let's get one more.
So, Paula, she must be skiving at the minute, but she's been busy painting on a brand new door for the front of the chateau. So she's going over with undercoat, primer, and then obviously finally the gloss. That's a frame for it. That's brilliant. It's definitely coming together. Obviously every room is literally a workshop at the minute for my moulds, everything. So we'll crack on now with all the jobs and hopefully get a lot of these done today.
I don't need to be here. Do you want me to drop it down a bit for you?
It's not, I don't think it's on that, it's just dead tight here, Ash, this coving. It's dead tight on here.
Do you want to block?
Well, everyone's cracking on and we're getting loads of work done. So I've finally finished all of the plumbing in the bathroom, which is great because it's been doing my head in. I've got one or two last little bits to finish, but I still need a couple of bits to get that done. Ash and Graham have got all of the ceiling done in the hallway and in the entrance hall as well, which is fantastic. Now they're pushing me out of the way so they can get all of the ceiling done here in the bathroom. But I've got all of our tap in now for the bath. So we've got a beautiful waterfall tap, just so it's sort of these nice elegant touches for the bathroom and for all the other rooms really. That's just going to make it that one step more sort of special and luxurious. So yeah, so that's all fitted in now, which wasn't easy, but because I've never really make any jobs easy for myself, to be honest. Obviously we've got the concealed tap and obviously waterfall spout. Then we've got a concealed shower, handheld shower mixer, and then we're going to have a concealed shower mixer for the actual shower unit as well. So yeah, they're all a bit of a nightmare just to get all sorted. But as well, Mum's busy in the red bedroom, so she's on with painting, I think was it 1,200 of these tiny little crosses that I've decided that we're going to paint, and she's doing a fantastic job. I've got a few of them all on now, so I've got all of this section done in the corner. Now I know a few people were unsure when we showed just the one panel. But when you're in the room and you can actually see the whole thing, these are colour difference between the panel and them, and we actually wanted that so you had like a variation with it, and they just look fantastic. I think the more we get on, the more it's going to sort of bring it all together, and it'll look more in keeping. So yeah, Paula's on with the door bits still, so she's cracking on with them, and I've got all of the bits done in the bedroom as well. So all of our panels are all sorted, and again, even this room's really starting to come to life now. And we've got another nice little chandelier up, just so we can get a bit of light while we're working. But even just having that light on, you can see how it's going to look now. Just having light in here, that centre part's just going to look phenomenal once we get a chandelier in. So yeah, I better get back to work, get the last bit sorted, get obviously the ceiling up in the bathroom, get some more of these crosses painted, and get some other bits sorted. So we'll crack on now.
See where we're I need to come down a bit, mate, so it's not in.
And that's all our job's done. So mix the tap all on for the shower now. I've got all the connections up to where the shower head's going to go and the handheld shower. So that's all this sorted, ready to plasterboard. Graham and Ash have got all of the ceiling sorted up here. So that's the last ceiling sorted on this level now to get done. And just getting ceilings in, I know it's only a tiny thing, but it just makes such a big difference to get a ceiling in. Obviously we've got all of the paneling sorted, so this is really coming together as a room now. In the entrance hall, we've got all of the ceilings up here. So we've got ceilings. So just seeing all this now, it is just amazing to finally get it all back together. Obviously all the panelling's back on, the ceilings are back up. It's just amazing, it really is. And Paula's got all of the doors sorted, so they're all finished now. Mum's got, I think she has got 4 strips left of the crosses left to do. And then I can crack on getting all of them on the wall. So quickly look now. She's got 5 left to do out of, I think we had, was it about 40? I think we had 40 strips. So yeah, bless her. Just to do that is a massive task. And obviously, I said we've got exactly the same amount to do on the ceiling as well. So the amount of strips that we had on here, I think it equated to, I'm sure it was about 90 meters of this trim we've used on the walls, and we've got about the same for the ceiling. So it is a massive amount. And then we're going to have that same detail trim on the ceiling here in the salon as well. So only a small amount. We're just going to have a border right the way around the outside, just to finish that off. As we've got a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, we've got a little bit of the detail on the centre circle as well. So it's just so it links the 2 rooms in together, and they sort of look like the part of the same place really. And then again the same, so there'll be aspects of this room that's going to be linked into the blue room as well. But yeah, everywhere you turn now, like when you come in, every time I walk into that room and you can just see that little panel on the wall there, it's just fantastic to see that. And then you go in and you see the mirror, it's amazing. And then you turn on this side and you walk in and you just see the fireplace and all of the beautiful wood effect on there. It's just absolutely amazing how it's all coming together. So let us know what you think to it all. Obviously we're over the moon that we're getting to this stage now where it's all sort of coming together, and it's getting to the really exciting part, because obviously we're getting all of the details in now with all of the mouldings for the red bedroom, all of the mouldings for the blue bedroom, and hopefully start to see a room come together for the bathroom. So yeah, so hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because it massively helps us with each video. And don't forget to leave a comment as well, because just leaving a comment really helps us as well. And we do try to get back to as many comments as we can. Obviously we are busy, as you know, 24/7. So yeah, we do try to get back to as many as we can. We do read pretty much all of them, but due to work, we can only get back to so many. So please keep the comments coming, because they do keep us going and we like to read them. And we'll see you in the next one. So see you soon. Bye. If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.